Hey riders, today we are talking about all new KTM Duke 160, the baby beast that's making waves in the street fighter segment. First of all, talking about engine and performance. This entry-level Duke packs a 160cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. This engine producing around 19 horsepower at 9,500 rpm and 15.5 Newton meter of torque at 7,500 rpm. It's turned for GP urban performance with KTM's signature aggressive throttle response, and it has a sleek 6-speed gearbox. Now talking about its design and features. Look at this motorcycle. Sharp design? Check. LED lights? Check. The Duke 160 carries the bold, muscular styling of its bigger siblings. You get a TFT instrument cluster, split seats, and a lightweight trellis frame that boosts handling. Now talking about brakes and suspension. With USD front forks, rear monoshock and disc brakes at both ends with dual channel ABS. It's built for control and confidence whether you are cruising or carving corners. Now talking about its price and verdict. It has launched around 1.85 lakh rupees in ex-showroom. The KTM Duke 160 is perfect for new riders who want performance and style. Would you ride it? Let us know in the comments. Take care and bye-bye.